Assalamu alaikum. You are watching an activity-oriented program in the subject of physics. Today we are going to present another interesting episode regarding the determination of focal length. As you can see, to determine the focal length of a concave mirror by parallax method using two needles. So you can see the arrangement. For this activity, the following materials are required. So you can see a concave mirror, mirror stand, screen, two needles, candle, and measuring tape. So this is a very difficult and vague experiment. Therefore, the experiment will be performed in two phases. In the first phase, we will find out the actual focal length of the concave mirror by making a real image on the screen. So, for this purpose, we will arrange the equipments as advised in the practical notebook. So, first we will find out the approximate focal length of the concave mirror by developing an image on the screen, which you can see we have developed the screen, the image on the screen, and you can see that the approximate focal length of the concave mirror is 13 centimeter. Okay, after the development of the approximate focal length, then we will place a candle at a distance of one focal length. As you can see the arrangement, that is the actual focal length is more than the approximate one. The actual focal length is 18 centimeter. So for this purpose, we will develop a real image by placing a screen, and the screen will be placed beyond the center of curvature. So let us see the observations which are to be noted. You can see the distance between mirror and object, that is 18 centimeter, and the distance between mirror and search point, that is 40 centimeter. So the first step that is required, we will place a candle at a distance of 18 centimeter while the screen at a distance of 40 centimeter to develop a clear image. So let us see the arrangement. You can see a concave mirror, a candle, and a screen. So it is essential that both the measurement, that is the real and actual focal length, and the distance between the screen and mirror, that will be noted and recorded. As you can see that the distance between the mirror and the object, that is candle, that is 18 centimeter, while the distance between the mirror and the screen, you can see that is 40 centimeter. So the actual, real and magnified image will be developed at the distance of 40 centimeter, which is beyond the center of curvature. So let us see the scenario. So light the candle and adjust both the screen and the candle to develop a clear and magnified image on the screen. So adjust the screen as well as the object. Now you can see that we have developed a clear image and magnified than the original one. Let us see closely. This is the real image which is developed at a distance of 40 centimeter. Let us see the distance between the screen and the mirror. You can see that is 40 centimeter, while the candle is placed at a distance of 18 centimeter. It means that the actual focal length of the mirror is 18 centimeter. Let us see closely. This is the distance between mirror and the object. So if we measure the distance, with the help of meter rod, so let us see that the distance between the mirror and the object, that is 18 centimeter, while the distance between the mirror and the screen, that is 40 centimeter. So this activity creates a lot of problems for the teachers, for the science teachers and students, because there are a lot of ambiguities in the statement and procedure which is given in the notebook, because there is no any point mentioned for the development of the object on the screen. So there is candle or screen is completely ignored in the statement and procedure. So the science teachers are reluctant to use the screen and candle without the statement which is given in the procedure. So in the first phase, we will develop a real and a magnified image to find out the actual focal length of the mirror, which is 18 centimeter. So in the next and second phase of this activity, we will take the two needles, find the distance of these needles, and will adjust the search needle and the object so that the search needle is coincide on the object. So join us and don't go away. Thank you.